Hi, thanks for watching. I don't know if there's any more iconic image than this of a white 1989 911 Speedster with blue interior under a Florida sun and the palms. This is just phenomenal. A rare sight. Hard to keep the traffic flowing because everybody wants to say hello. Everybody wants to say something about the car, compliment it. It's 10,989 miles, so 11,000 original mile 911 Speedster. Only 1 year production, about 2,500 units only. Very iconic 911, a must-have car. There are not too many for sale. Usually they're kept in private collections, as this car was. The navy blue interior is just elegant, with a white body, the low windshield, and the Speedster humps in the back. And again, the Florida sun and the palms. It's just a complete image of this car. Comes with a copy of the original window sticker, owner's manual with delivery date, original Fuchs turbo wheels, original paint. It has full clear bra in the front to protect the car, showing meticulous previous ownership. The zinc plating all around looks new. The engine bay is spotless. Engine is dry, properly serviced, and just one of those cars that are magazine cars, that are poster cars. And it's one of those poster cars that it's relatively affordable, beautiful. This is as important to have in a collection like as a Countach, as a Ferrari F40, just because of the significance of what it meant for Porsche as the brainchild of Mr. Hoffman, that wanted to have a car that has the heritage and the spirit of the race cars for the road car and the road use. Thank you for watching this very beautiful car. If you have any more questions or you need more information, please call me. It's 305-443-7626. My name is Bernard, and the car can be seen at rmcmiami.com or on Instagram at rmcmiami or Bernard_rmcmiami. Thank you for watching.